Hey guys, you've probably seen this LEGO Boost cat before. It does some kinda cute things, and it even wags its tail. But I don't really like cats, so I thought I'd do a one-day build and turn this cat into a pug. And this is what I came up with. Yeah, it's a LEGO pug, and it's made from the LEGO cat out of the LEGO Boost system. Now, I kind of ran out of a few pieces, so I probably could do a little bit better job at the back here, but that means I had to take it all apart. And this was going to be a one-day build after all. So this is the LEGO pug. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And of course the pug's got a cute little tail at the back as well. So let's see how this LEGO pug works. So first of all, you have to turn it on. So we'll go ahead and we'll just use this little pusher here, and we'll just turn her on. Okay, so I don't actually have any of the voiceovers done for the dog, which I might do it in time, but this is the effect when you give the pug a bottle. We'll watch that again. Now I'm going to have to change the sound effects obviously, because it does still sound like a cat. And this is the effect you have when you pat the cat. Now, because I've got extra LEGO pieces in here, the detection system is going off automatically. But I really like how his tail wags around. That's pretty cute, isn't it? So this pug is really happy. Okay, so for the last trick, we're going to go ahead and give this LEGO pug a birthday surprise. So we're just going to use the candle from the cat here, and if he's smart, he'll detect that he's got a birthday surprise. Now, obviously, we're going to need to work on that pug sound as well. There's heaps of pug sounds on the internet, so I might go ahead and see if I can put together a happy birthday pug sound. Sounds pretty cool. Anyway guys, if you like this idea, please like and subscribe. There won't be a tutorial because, well, it's really just the same thing as the LEGO Boost cat. I've just reskinned it. So it's a reskinned LEGO Boost cat. Now, you can sort of see what I've done in here. Not much at all. I've changed the ear configuration so it's all black. These are just black. And I've gone ahead and popped on some eyes, but I've put them on 3 1x1 round studs, just so it sticks out a bit and it doesn't fall off. Now, just for the mouth, I've gone ahead and just put in a few little bricks like this. So that kind of worked out okay too, I think. And I also dropped the sensor down a little bit because it was right in the place where the mouth should be. I found a couple of plates to put on the front here just to give it sort of some depth, and the feet just changed. I just changed the colors, and I found a few different pieces I had, so I just put on what I had. And as I say, I could go ahead and replace a lot of these colored tiles here with beige, but I don't really have a lot of pieces. So, and for the tail, well, that was pretty easy. I just went ahead and put a few of these round pieces on, and I just made these little pieces into a little bit of a curly tail. So we just pop that on like that, and that sits and turns around. So that is the LEGO pug. What do you think? Do you like him? If you want to see me do some more LEGO Boost MOCs, well, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, it's bye from now.